Two bath. It's a remodel. It's listed at $235. Let's take a look. First room is the living room and the kitchen area. Now this used to be the garage, but they've turned it into a bedroom and a bath. And then this is back to the kitchen area. And then in the back here we have a little sun room. This goes out into the backyard. Fairly decent backyard. Got a storage building out there. This is the laundry room here. Washer and dryer would go there. Of course, the refrigerator would go there. It's got a new air conditioner. It's a remodeled bathroom here. Secondary bedroom. New water heater here. Nice carpet. Third bedroom, then the fourth bedroom here. This is on Barnabus Drive in Dallas. List for $235. Says it's about 1,500 square feet. Unique remodel. Let me know what you think.